wa ahla wa sahla fikum. This is Ibrahim with you. A very warm welcome to you all, wherever you are. It has been some time since the last video I made. That was due to a number of reasons. One of it is being busy with work. That aside, today's video we'll be looking at the verb to be. The verb to be is one of the most slightly confused when it comes to learning and spoken Arabic, and it is can yekun. Obviously, all the time is conjugated with the third person. What's the unique about this? It's a hollow verb, meaning it's a middle weak verb. The alif gets deleted with first person, second person in the past tense, and the alif becomes a wow or gets replaced with a wow in the present tense, which is what everybody gets confused about. Let's start. So the use of can in Arabic, in general in both modern Arabic and spoken Arabic, we do not have the direct equivalent of is, am, are, or the verb to be as is just generally inside the sentence. However, we do use it in the present tense, meaning being there or going to be there, as the verb can, as we know, the alif gets replaced by the waw. As we know, can being a middle weak verb when the alif gets deleted within the past tense, and the present tense gets replaced with a waw when we make the present tense. So let's see. Okay, so the first one we've got ana, enta, inti, انتو, نحنا, هو, هي, and هن. And then here we go. So we say أنا راح كون or حكون. So راح and ha both means will. Obviously, as you see, they don't really get conjugated. But what gets conjugated? It's can. So أنا راح كون, I will be. أنت راح تكون, you will masculine be. أنت راح تكوني, you feminine will be. أنتو راح تكونوا, you group of people will be. نحنا راح نكون or حنكون, which means we will be. هو حيكون, he will be. هو حيكون or هو راح يكون. You could choose either, it doesn't really matter. هي, she, هي راح تكون, she will be, and هن راح يكونوا, they will be. So again, راح or ha followed by the present tense. So راح and ha being the future tense prefix. And obviously, as I said, it does not get conjugated. All you need to do is just to start with rah or ha followed by the present tense. And the present tense here we've got kun, which you need to conjugate it. For example, الأسبوع الجاي أنا راح أكون في البيت. Next week I'll be at home. So here kun all over, when they're conjugated here, it means to be or being there. For example, if you're talking to your mate, you'd say بكرة أنت راح تكون بالشغل. Tomorrow are you going to be at work? And he's gonna say لا أنا راح أكون بالبيت. أنا راح أكون بالبيت. No, I'll be home. لأنه في حجر صحي, because there's quarantine. And on the other side, we've got the verb to be conjugated with the past tense. Just so I thought I would write it for you so we could have a look at it. So it's أنا كنت, أنت كنت, أنت كنتي, أنتو كنتو, نحنا كنا, هو كان, and هي كانت, she was, and هن كانوا, they were. So as you see, the verb can or the verb to be, with the past tense, the alif gets deleted with first person and second person, meaning I, you feminine, you masculine, you group of people, and we. But that alif comes back again with the third person, so we've got هو كان, هي كانت, and هن كانوا. And here we've got a number of sentences for you. اليوم شوب وبكرة راح يكون شوب كمان. Today is hot and tomorrow will be hot as well. الطقس منيح وبكرة راح يكون منيح كمان. الطقس منيح وبكرة راح يكون منيح كمان. The weather is nice and tomorrow will be nice as well. الشغل مشغول وبكرة راح يكون مشغول كمان. الشغل مشغول وبكرة راح يكون مشغول كمان. Tomorrow work is busy and tomorrow will be busy as well. أنا راح أكون بالبيت. I'll be at home. أنا راح أكون بالبيت لأنه في حجر صحي كامل. لأنه في حجر صحي كامل, because there's a full quarantine or complete lockdown. Obviously there's a J, حجر, the first letter is ha and the second one is jim. But because when we're writing the short vowels, the marking system overrides the dot, so that's why you don't see it there, but there is a J there if you want to write. المكتب مسكر, the office is closed, وبكرة راح يكون مسكر كمان. The office is closed and tomorrow it will be closed as well. So راح يكون وبكرة راح يكون. And the reason we use يكون is because مكتب is masculine. الواي-فاي عطلان. The Wi-Fi is not working. وراح يكون عطلان بكرة كمان. And it will be not working tomorrow as well. Our next set of examples. السيارة معطلة وبكرة راح تكون معطلة كمان. السيارة معطلة وبكرة راح تكون معطلة كمان. So the car is broken and tomorrow it will be broken as well, meaning it will continue or stay broken, unfixed. الشركة مسكرة وبكرة راح تكون مسكرة كمان. The company is closed and tomorrow it will be closed as well. So the reason we add راح تكون the conjugation الشركة مسكرة, and the reason we chose the conjugation راح تكون is because the company is feminine, unlike the previous slide which we looked at يكون, because the main subject it was masculine. Here it's feminine. الطابعة the printer الطابعة خربانة, which means broken. الطابعة the printer الطابعة خربانة, the printer is broken. وراح تكون خربانة بكرة كمان, and it will be broken, meaning it will be broken tomorrow. العيادة راح تكون مفتوحة بكرة. The clinic will be open tomorrow. السيارة راح تكون مصلحة بكرة. The car will be fixed tomorrow. السيارة راح تكون مصلحة بكرة. الباخرة راح تكون مغادرة الميناء الساعة 7 الصبح. الباخرة the ferry راح تكون it will be مغادرة will be departed or departing. الميناء the harbor الساعة 7 الصبح at 7 o'clock in the morning. أنا راح كون فاضي بكرة. I'll be free tomorrow. أنا راح كون فاضي بكرة. I will be free tomorrow. سارة راح تكون فاضية بكرة. Sarah will be free tomorrow. أمي راح تكون بلندن الأسبوع الجاي. My mom will be in London next week. خلينا نشوفك. Let's see you. Let us see you. Let us meet. أبي راح يكون بالبيت متأخر فاتصل بكرة أحسن. أبي my dad راح يكون he will be بالبيت أهم متأخر late. so اتصل call بكرة tomorrow أحسن better. So it's better if you call tomorrow. أبي راح يكون بالبيت متأخر فاتصل بكرة أحسن. عائلتي my family راح تكون هون في زيارة. عائلتي my family راح تكون هون will be here في زيارة on a holiday, on a visit في زيارة on a visit. جاي عبالكن would you like. جاي عبالكن would you like or would you feel like. نروح على المسرح would you like to go to the theater. Would you like that we go all together to the theater. So my family will be here on a visit. Would you like to go to the theater. أهلي my family أهلي مسافرين my family are traveling وراح يكونوا and they will be بأستراليا in Australia بعد after 22 ساعة و15 دقيقة. My family are traveling and they will be in Australia after 22 hours and 15 minutes. Very precise, because I think that's what the journey takes. Another set of examples. رفقاتي راح يكونوا هون على المساء. رفقاتي my friends راح يكونوا هون they will be here على المساء on the evening. نحن راح نكون قاعدين هون بكرة. نحن راح نكون قاعدين هون بكرة. We will be sitting here tomorrow. خلينا نشوفك. Let's see you. خلينا نشوفك. Let's see you. هن ما راح يكونوا هون. فلا تعذب حالك. هن ما راح يكونوا هون. They will not be here. So don't bother. فلا تعذب حالك. Don't bother. شركتنا our company عزمت كتير ناس. Invited lots of people. وهن راح يكونوا هون and they will be here كلهم all of them بنفس الوقت at the same time. مبارح كانت عطلة والموظفين راح يكونوا كلهم بالشغل بكرة. مبارح yesterday كانت عطلة it was a weekend والموظفين and all the employees راح يكونوا they will be كلهم all of them بالشغل at work بكرة tomorrow. امبارح كانت عطلة والموظفين رح يكونوا كلهم بالشغل بكرة. انتو رح تكونوا بحفلة عيد ميلاد سارة. انتو, you group of people, رح تكونوا will be بحفلة عيد ميلاد سارة at Sarah's birthday party. You group of people, talking to a number of your friends, are you going to be at Sarah's birthday party? Great. And now we look at the auxiliaries such as بدي and lazim as they're widely used with the verb to be. Here we've got our conjugations. You could go and read through them. And we've got كان بدي, I wanted. كان بدك, you masculine wanted. كان بدك, you feminine wanted. كان بدكن or بدكم, depending on the dialect you go for, or sorry, the accent. كان بدكن or كان بدكم, either. نحنا كان بدنا, we wanted. هو كان بده, he wanted. هي كان بدها, she wanted. And هن كان بدهم, they wanted. Or كان بدهن, they wanted. Versus when you make the present tense. رح يكون بدي, I will be needing. رح يكون بدك, you will be wanting or needing. انتي رح يكون بدك, you feminine will be wanting. انتو رح يكون بدكن. نحنا رح يكون بدنا. هو رح يكون بده. هي رح يكون بدها. And هن رح يكون بدهم. And obviously, what does it mean? I will be needing, I will be wanting, and so on. And here if we have the same conjugation, first with the past tense, كان لازمني, I needed. كان لازمك, you needed. كان لازمك, كان لازمكن. كان لازمنا, كان لازمه, he needed. كان لازمها, she needed. كان لازمهم, they needed. Versus the present tense. When you say رح يكون لازمني, I will be needing. انت رح يكون لازمك, you will be needing. انتي رح يكون لازمك. انتو رح يكون لازمكن. نحنا رح يكون لازمنا. هو رح يكون لازمه. هي رح يكون لازمها, she will be needing. هن رح يكون لازمهم, they will be needing. So I will be needing, you will be needing, she will be needing, and so on. That would be the general translation. But كان لازمني, I needed, meaning in the past tense. And here we've got a number of sentences. وين بتكون بكرة بعد الظهر? وين بتكون بكرة بعد الظهر? Where are you going to be tomorrow in the afternoon? الأسبوع الجاي رح يكون بدهم الدرس متأخر شوي. Next week they will be wanting the lesson a little bit late. بس أوصل, when I arrive, رح يكون لازمني شغل جديد. When I arrive, I will be needing a new job. رح يكون بدنا, we will be needing. We want, we will be wanting. نحكي مع أبي كرمال الشغل. We'll be wanting to talk to my dad about the work or job. رح يكون لازمها تسافر كرمال الشغل. She will be needing to travel for work. رح يكون بده يرتاح أول شي. He will be wanting to rest first. بعد ما يوصل من السفر. After he arrives from traveling. هو بيكون ابن عمي. He's my cousin. Meaning he's being my cousin. Obviously there's no direct translation here for it. هو بيكون محاضري من أيام الجامعة. He's my lecturer from university days. أنا وجورج بنكون من نفس أنا وجورج بنكون من نفس الضيعة. Me and George are from the same village. هي بتكون مدرستي من المدرسة. She's my teacher from school. هي بتكون زوجة عمي. She's my uncle's wife, meaning خالتي. شغلها الجديد بيكون معي بنفس المستشفى. Her new job is with me at the same hospital. Great. Thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope you really enjoyed it and found it helpful. Again, the whole idea was for you to see how do we use the verb to be, can, and obviously the present form for it, which is kun, and how do we tend to use it, meaning on being or will be, going to be. And that's the idea how we tend to use. And sometimes in these examples, you literally, you don't need to use it because you could say, هو ابن عمي or هو بيكون ابن عمي, he's being my cousin. هو بيكون محاضري, he's my lecturer or he's being my lecturer. So we tend to use the verb to be, كان, كون, in these examples. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to share with family, friends, so hopefully they as well find it useful and benefit from it. Till next time, keep well and ma salama.